Crypto enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we're diving into the thrilling realm of crypto investments in just 60 seconds. Ready? Let's rock it. Step 3. Educate yourself. The crypto universe is vast and complex. Understand the fundamentals, blockchain, the workings of various cryptocurrencies, and market trends. Knowledge empowers you to make better decisions. Step 2. Choose wisely. Cryptocurrencies are as varied as they come. Do your homework and select cryptos that match your investment objectives. Consider the technology behind the project, the team, and community backing. Smart choices yield smart returns. Step 1. Diversify your portfolio. Distribute your investments over a range of cryptocurrencies to mitigate risks. Remember the old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification allows you to weather market volatility with ease. And there you have it. 3 straightforward steps to embark on your crypto investment journey. Educate, choose, diversify. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more bite-sized crypto tips, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Here's to successful investing, and see you in the next one.